How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to do a POSHMARK packaging. And for those of you all who don't know what POSHMARK is, it's an app you can download where you can sell stuff out your closet. Gently used, brand new. You can also buy stuff from POSHMARK. And my POSHMARK closet name is MzBrazell's Closet. So today I have a velour hoodie pantsuit set. These are the pants. It's in a pretty gray. If I were to wear gray, I like this color gray. And it has a little bling on the top of the hoodie. I already folded it. I don't want to unfold it. I've already checked it for holes, stains, rips, smells. It ain't got none of that because I don't sell junk. It's the drawstring for the pants. So I'm going to first wrap my items in some tissue paper. If I want to use green or the pink. I want to use the hot pink. Then I'm going to put each piece in a plastic bag. The bag is pink too. I buy these from Dollar Tree. You can get tissue paper from Dollar Tree. I buy my tape from Walmart because the Dollar Tree tape, it doesn't stick as well as I would like. I buy the little thank you cards to thank my customers for shopping MzBrazell's Closet. I buy these things, label thingamajigs. Get these from Amazon. I can put the shipping label. I fold it up, put the shipping label in here, and this white backing, it peels off, and it's sticky, so I don't have to use tape. So, and the post office boxes are free. They have some that you have to pay for, so it's best to ask the person, the attendant, which boxes are free. Okay, let me get this out my way. So I'm going to wrap the top up. Trying to angle it. I'll be back after it's wrapped, so it don't take so long. Okay, I got both pieces wrapped in tissue paper. I'm going to use a bag. And these bags from Dollar Tree are lightly scented. They come in white, blue, and pink. And each color has a different scent. Very lightly scented. So I'm going to put this one in a bag. Since I think they both have to be boxed separately, then I'll just tape the boxes together. I'm trying to push out as much air as possible from the bag. And I put them in bags just in case it rains or snows and the box gets wet, it won't damage the content. Don't nobody want to receive no wet, moldy, smelly clothes. So okay. I'm going to tape the card. Already put in here, thanks for shopping MzBrazell's closet. I'll tape the card to one of the packages inside the box. And I'll put this in the box. It comes with a sticky tab. You just pull off. Oh my. Pick one end of the box up. Where that works. It has another sticky edge on this end. I don't think both pieces will fit. No, I'll just use another box. It's free. Do one end, don't ever want to tear right. Okay. That one is boxed up. Now I use my other one. Okay. Slide this second piece in here. I like to film my transactions. Okay, now I'm going to take these together. Oh, okay. Keep them straight. Whoops. Oh, that's messy. Take this in. And the other end. Then we'll bring this one all the way across. And they don't let you use that silver duct tape anymore, or Gorilla tape. They used to let you use it. Well, I used to use it all the time because it's cheaper than this. Okay. It's not going to come apart. I'm through with that. So now I'm going to stick on my Poshmarks to give you the shipping label. All you have to have is a printer so you can print out the label. So I'm going to peel this off. I got no fingernails. And then this little strip, I'll put it on here crooked. This little strip comes off. So I don't need any tape for this. But this is ready to be taken to the post office. And I don't have to pay anything. And when they receive it, Poshmark will pay me my money. Put it in my account. So if you decide to sign up with Poshmark, please use my code MzBrazell, all caps. And with your first sale, we'll both get a $10 credit to our account. Sometimes it's $5, sometimes it's $10. Right now it's $10. So this is ready to be shipped. Okay. Thumbnail. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.